Welcome to my in-depth review of the Zions Bank Home Equity Loan. I recently went through the full application and usage process with Zions Bank to understand what they offer, how competitive their terms are, and whether it's worth your time and effort to consider them for your home equity needs. The Zions Bank Home Equity Loan is positioned as a traditional fixed-rate option for homeowners looking to tap into their home's equity. Unlike a HELOC, this product comes with a lump sum disbursement and a consistent monthly payment, which can be great for those who prefer predictability over flexibility. When I started the process, the application was fairly standard. You'll need to provide documentation such as your mortgage statement, income verification, and personal ID. However, one thing that stood out was the timeline. From application to funding, the entire process took about 4 weeks, longer than some competitors. Rates at Zions Bank vary based on your credit profile and loan-to-value ratio. At the time I applied, the rates were slightly above the national average, which might be a downside if you're rate shopping. What I appreciated, though, was the transparency. Their site breaks down estimated APRs and monthly payments clearly, without hiding extra fees. There were some closing costs, but these were disclosed upfront and weren't excessive. Customer support was responsive when I reached out by phone, but their online chat system was less helpful. One of the challenges I ran into was the lack of a digital upload option for all required documents. Some needed to be physically submitted or mailed, which felt outdated. Many other useful links you can find in the description. Zions Bank does have a strong reputation for reliability, especially in the Western US, and their in-branch experience is polished. However, if you're looking for an entirely digital application experience, you might find the process here a bit behind the curve. Another thing to keep in mind is that Zions Bank doesn't operate in every state, so availability might be limited depending on where you live. The loan product itself is solid, predictable, simple, and best for borrowers who want stable payments over time. It's not ideal if you're seeking a line of credit or a more dynamic borrowing option. During repayment, you can also make additional payments without prepayment penalties, which is a big plus if you're looking to pay down the loan faster. In terms of suitability, I'd recommend Zions Bank Home Equity Loan to those with strong credit scores, who are comfortable with a more traditional bank experience and don't mind some paperwork. If digital convenience is a priority, or if you're after the lowest possible rate, you might want to explore alternative lenders. Overall, my experience was generally positive, but not without a few hiccups. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest financial reviews and tips.